tan lines? Oops. Oh, jeez. Hey, everybody. Today we are back at, where are we? See what you do to me? Confection oven. There you go, Dad. Confection. Oh, jeez. I mean, it's so relaxing. I could just, I don't know, fall asleep here. Hey everybody, today we are back at Mesa RV in Port St Lucie, and we're gonna look at this Class A. It is a Miramar by Thor. It is model number 35.2. I would consider this the upper end of your basic type Class A's, right? It is still built on a Ford chassis, right? So it's not on a commercial chassis, but it has a lot of those same nicer amenities. You've got a beautiful awnings that cover the entire side as well as the door. There's a separate awning for the door, which is great. Your stairs come out automatically when you open the door. Full body paint, which is amazing. There's a nice TV outside. Your storage bays are a little bit larger in here, even though it's on a Ford chassis, right? It's a little bit taller than normal, so there's a little bit more storage. It's how they built it. So, like I said, you're sort of on the upper end of your basic type Class A's. Round to the back, you got your ladder that gets all the way up to the top there, so you can do your servicing and inspections. It's already got a camera mounted. It does have a hitch for towing. And as I mentioned before, Ford chassis, so this is not diesel, it is unleaded, okay? It does have an onboard generator already built in. Let's take a look at some of these. And there it is right there. Your own 5500, which is awesome. Let's see what else we got here. Some more storage. Actually, this is where you would connect your sewer. There's your sewer connect right there. And that's where your 50 amp power connects, okay? Slam latches. You've got Schwintek slides. See, above also you've got awnings above the slides. Yeah, it's a beautiful design. It's very rich, the colors, the paint scheme. You think you're in a diesel pusher, but as I mentioned, you're just sort of at the upper end of your basic Class A. All right, so right when we come in, we'll talk about this one like we did the other Thor coach. We did the Ace the other day, and this is the Miramar. You're gonna see difference in quality and really the difference of what $40,000 gets you, okay? Because that's about the difference in the price. All right, as I mentioned, it is a Ford motor chassis, and the cockpit from a layout is basically the same. It just, the colors are richer, the materials are richer, all right? Seats nice and comfy. Now these do spin around, and it's got a little spot there to add a table, okay? Over here, well, hi Lisa.
Hi there.
Are you relaxing again?
I'm relaxing again.
Are you sitting down on the job?
I absolutely am.
She's frequently sitting down on the job.
Every chance I get.
All right. These are theater seats. Are they electric or are they manual?
They
are
just
manual?
They are
Is that like a little hiding cubby thingy there?
It is.
It is. Look at that. You can put all your remotes there. This coach probably has like 27 remotes. All right, so you can hide them all there. Speaking of hiding, okay, the other one had a hide-a-bed. This one does too, but this one's harder to see. All right. Now this coach is also digital. Okay. What I mean by that is if we kind of scooch here to the back, there's digital control. This controls your awnings, your slides, your lights, all kinds of things. In each area you go into, you'll see little panels. Sorry that I'm walking back and forth, but you see this little touch panel? This turns lights on and off. So you turn the lights off, right? And I just hit the panel and it turns it back on. But from this master panel back here, this is what controls that bed. See, it says bunk, front bunk. So I just hit the down button, and you notice the whole thing comes down. It's a lot different than that, than the Ace we were in. Now this is a much more sturdy bed. It can hold more weight. I mean, you can just see it going down how much more sturdy it is. We're gonna go up there in just a second. Right? There's some netting which keeps you from falling through, I guess. It's got a nice mattress in here instead of just the foam thing. The other one went down on some pistons. This has got a track. It's kind of like a Schwintek slide track, which is kind of nice. All right, we'll put that back up in a couple minutes. So across from the theater chairs is your big TV. Now that TV is on a televator. So during the day, if you're not watching TV and you want to put it down, it will go down so you can see out the window, which is nice, okay? In front of that, that's a little jackknife sofa, so that will fold out to be a bed as well, which is awesome. Just like the other one, right? Your dinette, that also folds down to become a table. That's actually a really nice dinette. I think this is bigger than the other one, isn't it?
I do think it is.
Yeah, this is, I mean, it's really, the table is really deep. Absolutely amazing. Okay. Storage, guys. Storage everywhere. There's storage underneath here, underneath the banquettes. There's storage up above the table, which is awesome. Right? Yep. Oh, that's right. So, I mean, this is all wired already, guys, right? You've got your wine guard, connect router, Wi-Fi. There's solar on top already. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in there. All right. There's another TV right here. So if you're sitting down at this part of the table, you don't have to look here to watch TV. You can just look right there. Oh, love the tan lines. Oops. All right. Kitchen. This is neat. Look at this. Right? You've got induction and gas. I don't think I've seen that before.
Yeah, this is really unique. I like that. That's
right?
A nice feature. You got your convection oven up here.
Nice convection oven.
Yes, you got a double basin stainless sink, which I like.
Yeah, Lisa's favorite, the double basin. You know why she likes it? I'm not sure she said, but let's say you just want to do a few dishes, right? You don't want to run the water because you're trying to conserve water. If you've got the basin is whole, you've got to fill and use all the water, to fill up both. But if you've got just one side, you only have to put a little water in. So basically it's to conserve water if you're only going to be doing a few dishes.
Exactly,
right?
Exactly.
Now I noticed there's no oven. I'm assuming that's because that's a confection oven. Confection oven. There you go, Dad. Confection. Because it's got your... Oh. See what you do to me? Right? So there's nice big storage down there for all your pots and pans. And I mean, there's just storage everywhere here, which is awesome.
Absolutely.
Right? Nice, I believe that is a nice residential refrigerator. It's residential in its energy efficient cooling, rapid cold. All right. Oh yeah, that's cool. Kind of nice storage right next there, which by the way, this is also prepped for a washer and dryer. The Ace that we were in, it did not have that option, but this is where you would put your washer and dryer. As a little trick, guys, if you didn't know, anytime you go into any kind of coach, whether it's a Class A, a fifth wheel, it doesn't matter what it is. If you see closets that got louvers, it's meant for a washer and a dryer. It's to vent the hot air out. So you can tell pretty quickly if you walk in if there's a washer dryer. All right? What else? What's behind here? Well, hey, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tom's Toilet Test.
All right, much like the other Thor we were in, it was an Ace. This is a Miramar. The bathroom is set up about the same. This is amazing. It's great. Great leg room. So front and back, left and right. So definitely, again, just like the other one, the countertop, right? The only difference is you got a nice backsplash. Plenty of storage underneath, right? Underneath there as well. If you're looking behind here, we got some storage up there. This one actually has a nice little corner unit where the other one didn't. And you got your medicine chest for all your medicines. All right, really neat. All right, so this does have control for your fan down here, which is kind of cool. Okay, so let's get in the shower. All right, well, I fit in here with ease, guys, just like the other one. The only difference is this does have a different kind of shower door. It does take up a little bit of the room in here when it's open, but when it's closed, of course, you're pretty good. You know how I feel about the glass ones when we do our reviews. There's this accordion style, not even accordion, it's a retractable style one. But there is a link down in the description of where you can pick up that retractable one. It's a DIY thing. You can put it in yourself. One of these days, I'll do a video on it. But a screwdriver, it's very simple, okay? Anyway, shower head, right place. The bubble, right place. Everything about this shower is awesome, so. Okay, so the bedroom's a little bit interesting. This is a king bed, and as you see, it's kind of pushed back up there, okay? The reason is because this whole side of this coach is on a slide, which is why it's so roomy in here, okay? However, for the slide to come in, this bed needs to be jacked up a little bit. And so this is a mechanical slide. You just press a button and it goes all the way back. Now, what that does mean is you don't have storage underneath the bed in a traditional way. There's some drawers down here instead, okay? Now, the other thing is, even when you're parked during the day, it would be best for you to retract the bed back, because once you put this all the way out, there's not going to be very much walking room here. So it's nice even during the day to have that in its sort of up position. Now, when you're sitting on the bed, you've got a huge wardrobe up here. There's a hanging rod up top there. You know what I like? I like the fact that there's additional support in the middle. This also keeps your hangers from sliding back and forth when you're going down the road. Your extra table for up front is here. This is the top, and there's your pole that you would stick in to the in between the driver's seat and the passenger seat, which is nice. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 drawers right here. So plenty of space for those things that you want to put in drawers. And you also got a nice TV sitting here. So that's what? TV number 3? 3 TVs. I think my house has 3 TVs. 3 TVs. Okay. All right, so what do you think of this Thor motor coach? This is the Miramar. We like it. I love the hide-a-bed. Obviously, I climbed up here. By the way, for you tall guys, you would fit up here. Just as a side note. In case I didn't say earlier, I am 6'4", and so finding toilets and showers and beds can be challenging. I mean, it's so relaxing, I could just, I don't know, fall asleep here. If this is the first time you found our videos, thank you so much for stopping and watching. Do us a favor, smash that big thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button at the same time if you don't mind. Come back and watch another one later, okay? We do all kinds of fun things and reviews. For those who have already subscribed and coming back again, thank you. We really do appreciate it. We love you guys. Thank you so much for being part of the family, right? For everyone who is watching, until we see you again, be safe.